Welcome to AI Digital Rank. In this video, we're diving into the future of video creation with the top 5 AI video creation tools that are set to revolutionize the way you produce videos in 2024. These cutting-edge tools will elevate your projects to new heights. 1. Adobe Premiere Pro. Professional video editors who need advanced editing capabilities and AI-assisted features for efficiency. 2. Runway ML. Artists, designers, and editors who want to experiment with AI in video creation without needing deep technical knowledge. 3. Lumen 5. Marketing professionals and social media managers looking to quickly turn blog posts or articles into engaging videos. 4. Descript. Content creators, podcasters, and educators who need to transcribe and edit video and audio content efficiently. 5. Synthesia. Businesses and educators looking to create instructional videos or presentations without the need for actual video recording. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or simply someone fascinated by the latest in technology, this video is packed with insights and recommendations that can reshape the way you approach video production. Which AI video tool are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more tech and AI content.